Dustin here with Pineacres RV here in Stewiacke. And again, I have behind me a super fresh arrival. This is a 2021 Keystone Passport 2951BH. This is a super awesome unit, guys. You have large pass-through storage up front, 2 entries on it. I mean, come on. Exterior speakers, nice large awning with LED lights, and it wouldn't be completed without an outdoor kitchen. Check that out. 2-burner cooktop, and you do have that beverage fridge as well. Right over here, we have a spot you could mount a TV on the outside should you want to. And let's check out the inside, guys. Wow, look at this. This right here is probably one of my favorite features, guys. Check that out. Double doors, walk right into the master bedroom. Super private as well. His or hers closets either side. We also have nightstands, end tables, whatever you want to call them. Both come with phone charging capabilities. Overhead storage that I can reach. And then more storage up underneath the bed. Throw your extra blankets down there. All right, just outside of the unit, we have, hand slip there. Probably use it as a good pantry area. Super awesome. Or you could take the shelves out and hang your clothes. Just flip around here, guys. I'm going to get out of your way. We got more storage on the back side of the sink. Be a great spot for your garbage cans. And then maybe some odds and ends like your bug spray or stuff like that. Stuff you need close and accessible. We do have all of our unit controls right here. Controls for our inside and outside speakers as well. Coming over here into the main area, we have extra flip-up countertop should you need it. Huge, huge one-piece farm-style sink, guys. Beautiful window behind your cooking area. You do have this extra counter space as well with your 3-burner Furrion stovetop and your Furrion oven. Up over top, we do have some awesome storage. And then high point microwave, range hood, and more storage underneath the sink. And cutlery drawers. Right beside that, we do have a huge, huge refrigerator. Check that out. Storing a month's worth of food in there. My favorite feature here is check out underneath the dinette. Isn't that so cool? You got blue lights, accent lights for when you're eating, I guess. Maybe store your pots and pans down here, either side. And then this does as well drop down and make a comfortable bed. Windows all throughout this slide out make it very bright and inviting. Over here across from the television area, we do have theater seating. They do recline, and you have your cup holders. And then boom, check out the size of that TV. Holy cow. Tons of storage up above. Deep, deep storage at that. And then just beside that, we have a little closet area that you could use for the kiddos' clothes, or maybe an extra pantry. Double over double bunks right here, guys. Check that out. We do have privacy curtains for both of them, and it does come with the ladder. Phone charging as well, and lights for each bunk and windows. And down back, there's actually a door there, so you can, I don't know if you'd want to hop out of it, but you can definitely get underneath the bunk to store some extra stuff. Check out the bathroom, guys. Very spacious. You do have that second door to get in and out of it. Shower. You got the extra headroom right where you want it. Super nice, super comfortable. Tons of space right around the flush. And if you keep this mat here, kids aren't tracking anything in. Vanity up next. Some storage underneath the vanity. And a medicine cabinet. Folks, this is a super awesome unit. Obviously going to be priced to move. If you like this unit and you want to get into it for yourselves, come on down to Pineacres Stewiacke, exit 11. And don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.